everyone, my name is Rupali. Welcome to my channel Sassy Savri. Today I am going to do a quarterly empty video. These are the products which I have used in the month of January, February and March. I don't prefer doing monthly empties because I personally don't use that many products जो कि मैं हर महीने उनकी empty video बना सकूँ. As you can see, there are a lot of empties in this basket. And if you are wondering कि मैंने इन 3 महीनों में इतने सारे products कैसे empty कर लिए हैं, सो बेसिकली मैंने इन प्रोडक्ट्स को बिफोर 2022 ऑफ जनवरी भी यूज़ किया है, मे बी इन 2021. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ किया, मे बी आधा यूज़ किया या 1/4 यूज़ किया, इन्हें बाजू में रख दिया एंड आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स एंड रिप्लेस दिस प्रोडक्ट्स. बट दिस 2022 आई डिसाइडेड टू अगेन चेक ऑल दोज प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि थोड़े थोड़े बचे हैं एंड आई डिसाइडेड टू एम्प्टी देम फर्स्ट. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियोज एंड आई विल कीप ऑन शेयरिंग द रिव्यूज ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. द वेरी फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज बायोलेज एडवांस शैम्पू इन द वेरिएंट फाइबर स्ट्रॉन्ग. इसके ना और भी 3-4 वेरिएंट अवेलेबल है. लेट्स मेक वन थिंग क्लियर दैट शैम्पूज एंड कंडीशनर डू नॉट स्टॉप योर हेयर फॉल, बट इट क्लेम्स दैट इट स्ट्रेंथens your hairs and reduces hair fall due to breakage, which I think it did, and I really like this product. It is 200 ml for 350 rupees. Price wise it's good. 2 sizes of this product are available. This is the smaller one. It has mild fragrance. It cleans the scalp well. It is a mild shampoo. I really like the kind of texture I get after using this shampoo. My hair feels more silky and shiny. I'm quite sure that I have used this for more than 3 months and I think it's worth every penny. It's a great product, and if you are looking for a mild shampoo, you should definitely go for this one. And the next product is Biolage conditioner. It is in the same variant Fiber Strong, and it also claims strengthens hair and reduces hair fall due to breakage. It is 98 gram for 290 rupees. For price point of view, this product is worth it totally. It does what it claims. It makes my hair silky and shiny. I really enjoy that texture. I use this conditioner with the combination of Biolage shampoo. It has mild fragrance and I have used this for more than 3 months now. And also one more thing, this shampoo and conditioner are not paraben and sulfur free. So if you are looking for paraben and sulfur free shampoo and conditioner, these are not for you. I personally don't mind paraben in my self care because I think paraben is okay in your self care. It doesn't really harm you. It's just kind of a gimmick created by a lot of brands so that they can make you buy their products. The next product is Silk and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. It is 100 ml for 215 rupees. I have been using this for last 3 years and I really enjoyed using it. इसके ना छोटे छोटे 3 रुपए वाले sachets भी available हैं. So before opting for a bigger bottle, I would suggest कि पहले ना छोटे वाले sachets try करो. It is great for people who have extremely frizzy and dry hair. इसका टेक्सचर ना थोड़ा थिक है एज कम्पेयर टू नॉर्मल सीरम्स. सो इफ योर हेयर इज नॉर्मल एंड नॉट दैट फ्रिजी, मे बी डोंट गो फॉर दिस. This can weigh your hair down. And the next product is Vico Merit Coconut Oil. I don't have its packaging right now because मेरे घर वालों ने वो फेंक दी once it got empty. उन्हें नहीं पता था that I am collecting packages. So it was a 500 ml bottle for 350 rupees. When I checked it in December, I got to know that वो मार्च में expire हो रहा था. So me and my entire family started using it. Personally, by far, this is my favorite coconut oil. I used to apply it before shampooing my hair and it used to make my hair so soft and so silky. It was a cold pressed oil, and in the months of winter, I used to mix the oil with my moisturizer and use it. Sizes of this oil are available. So if you want to try this oil, first go for the smaller bottle. By the way, I will provide link of all the products in the description box. The next product is Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. It is for 200 rupees for 125 ml, but ये usually around 150 to 170 rupees में मिल ही जाता है. It removes the makeup completely. It is alcohol and fragrance free. I like to use it even in my double cleansing. I think it's a must-have product. I also have the bigger bottle and I like the smaller bottle for traveling. It claims that it is even for sensitive skin people. The Derma Co Creamy Face Cleanser. I got this as a free gift when I was purchasing things from Nykaa. It claims that it is for sensitive skin people and I am a dry skin person, but I enjoyed using it. I literally enjoyed using it. मैं तो इसे कट करके भी यूज़ करना चाहती हूँ अगर इसमें थोड़ा सा भी बचा है, but I have been saving this only for this video. It cleans my face, my skin feels moisturized, it is fragrance and soap free. I enjoyed it most in the months of winter when my skin was extra dry. It is very gentle. I'm definitely going to get a bigger bottle of this face wash. And the next product is Himalaya lip balm. It is 10 gram for 35 rupees and this is my favorite product from this entire video. इसमें शायद एक या दो यूज बाकी होंगे अभी भी. I'm going to buy multiple tubes of this lip balm. It makes my lips so soft, protect them from chapping, and I love how it smells. Makes my lips glossy when I apply it. It is extremely affordable. This is the best purchase I have ever had. The next product is Pond's Light Moisturizer. I have used this for almost 1 year now. I definitely enjoyed using it, but now I'm done with it. I think for a really long time I am not going to buy any more tubs of this moisturizer. It is great for people who have dry skin, but I personally don't like the packaging of this product because what happens is, एक तो ये टब फॉर्मेट में है, ठीक है, सो ये गिरने के इसके चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. ऑल्दो इट इज थिक, तो इस वाले के कम होते हैं, बट पॉन्ड्स सुपर लाइट जेल के तो गिरने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा और मैंने बहुत बार गिराया भी है. दैट इज़ वन थिंग. एंड द अदर थिंग इज इतना सारा प्रोडक्ट है. एवरी टाइम आई एम टचिंग विथ माई हैंड एंड टेकिंग सम प्रोडक्ट, यूजिंग इट फॉर दैट लॉन्ग टाइम, आई फील कि ये प्रोडक्ट ना बहुत ईजिली इन्फेक्ट हो सकता है. दैट्स वाई आई डोंट लाइक द पैकेजिंग. मे बी ये ट्यूब फॉर्म में या बॉटल फॉर्म में होता, आई वुड हैव एंजॉयड इट मोर. नाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग अ डिफरेंट मॉइस्चराइजर विच आई एम currently loving. I will talk about that moisturizer in my haul video. The next product is Pond's Super Light Gel, which has hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. As you can see, it's completely empty and by far I have used at least 10 tubs of this moisturizer. It is 25 grams for 49 rupees. People with normal and dry skin will definitely enjoy using it. Maybe dry skin थोड़ा सा oily feel कर सकते हैं. Again, I'm done using it for really long time. By the way, I do have a separate video of review of these two moisturizer. I have compared both of these moisturizer in that, and I have also explained the correct way to use these moisturizer for different skin type people in that video. The next product is Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm. It was a combination of two lip balms, one in the flavor of watermelon and other in the flavor of berry crush. The watermelon lip balm did not had any sort of tint, but the berry crush lip balm did have a red sort of tint. Both of these have fragrance and I used to love these lip balm. These used to be my favorite but not anymore because now Himalaya lip balm is my favorite. These are definitely good lip balms and if you are someone जिन्हें अपने lip balm में tint पसंद है, you are going to love the berry crush lip balm. Both of these are great lip balms, but if you'll ask me to choose between Himalaya lip balm and Baby Lips lip balm, I will always go for this one. These are great lip balms for people who have really dry lips. So the next product is Nivea body lotion and it says whitening even tone. So from the name itself I regret this product. मैंने पता नहीं कैसे गलती से बिना पढ़े whitening इतना बड़ा बड़ा लिखा है ऑर्डर कर दिया. So अब ये ले लिया तो obviously I had to use it. It claims that it works for all skin types. For me, I think it's a quite bad product because it did not provide me any sort of moisturization. Although my skin is super dry, maybe that's why it didn't work for me and I'm definitely not going to repurchase it. अगर ये मेरे लिए वर्क करता भी तो भी मैं इसे repurchase नहीं करती because it claims whitening and that's I'm totally against it. Like my channel name is Sassy Savri. Like I'm claiming Savri in my name. How can I even go for something which claims whitening, lightening, you know? So let's throw this product and move to the next product. The next product is Good Vibes Wine Hydrating Mask. I love this product. It is 50 gram for 235 rupees. I really enjoy using face mask, especially during the months of winter because that time my skin is extremely dry. It claims that it is a hydrating face mask and it does what it claims. After using it, my skin used to feel more glowing and hydrated. I have already uploaded a shot of this wine mask in which I have showed how it works. So if you want to know more about this wine mask, check that video out. Next product is Miniso deodorant. It's unisex and in the variant Mystic Blue. It is 75 ml for 90 rupees. I finished 2 of its bottle in last 3 months. So you know I clearly love this product. It feels very fresh and breezy and I recently purchased a new bottle of a deodorant but in a different variant. Seems like this video is going to be really long but I don't want to make you wait anymore. So we are on the last product of this video. So it is Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Moisturizer. Claims that it is non-greasy, long-lasting moisturization for healthy and glowing skin and it is for dry skin people. It is 600 ml for 450 rupees but मुझे ना सेल में I think around 300 का मिल गया था. I think it's a good product but not for me since my skin is extremely extremely dry. So what I used to do, especially in months of winter, I used to mix this moisturizer with my Vico Merit coconut oil, and इन दोनों को mix करके I used to apply it on my body. I think it is little greasy. मुझे तो नहीं feel हुआ because my skin is super dry, so मुझे तो ऐसा कुछ feel होता नहीं है. मेरी फ्रेंड है, उसकी स्किन नॉर्मल ड्राई है, नॉट लाइक एक्सट्रीम ड्राई लाइक मी, एंड शी टेल्स मी दैट उसे ग्रीजी फील होता है. So maybe try the smaller bottle before opting for this bigger bottle. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't enjoy this video, give it a thumbs down. And please comment down below what you feel of this video. And if you have tried any of these products, comment down below what are your reviews of that product. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.